Earn $30 per word you type. Make money online 2023. In today's digital era, there are countless opportunities to make money online. One such opportunity is through typing and transcribing work. Did you know that you can start earning money from your phone or computer simply by sitting down somewhere peaceful and typing? Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today, we will explore how you can set yourself up for success in this field and start earning anywhere from $35 to $85 repeatedly each day. To begin, you will need either a phone or a computer. Regardless of whether you have an iPhone or Android phone or a desktop or laptop computer, you can take advantage of this opportunity from anywhere in the world. If you're looking to improve your typing speed, start it with the typingtest.com. This website offers typing tests that can be completed in just 60 seconds. To get started, simply click on the typing test link and select a test that lasts either 1 or 3 minutes. Once you've selected, you'll click on the More Options button and choose your text test. Then click Start Typing Test to begin. A timer will start as soon as you start typing, allowing you to see just how fast you can type, because the faster you type, the more you can earn. TypingTest.com also offers free training and courses to help you increase your typing speed. So if you're looking to improve your typing skills, this website is definitely worth checking out. It is also crucial to find legitimate websites that offer typing and transcribing jobs. One such website is Rev.com. This website provides transcription, captioning, and translation jobs, with pay ranging from $1.25 to $7 per minute depending on the task. Rev.com is accessible to individuals from all over the world, making it an ideal opportunity for anyone interested in earning money through typing. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to supplement your income, Rev.com provides a flexible and rewarding way to do so. One of the great things about Rev.com is that it offers a variety of tasks to choose from. Transcription jobs involve typing out audio or video recordings, while captioning jobs involve creating subtitles for videos. Translation jobs, on the other hand, involve translating content from one language to another. With so many options available, you're sure to find a task that suits your skills and interests. Guys, another benefit of working for Rev.com is the flexibility it provides. You can work as much or as little as you like, and you can complete tasks from anywhere in the world. This makes it an ideal opportunity for anyone looking to work from home or while traveling. If you're interested in working for it, the first step is to create an account on their website. Once you've done so, you can browse through the available tasks and choose the ones that appeal to you. You'll then be given instructions on how to complete the task, as well as a deadline for submission. Once you've completed the task, you'll submit it for review. If it meets its quality standards, you'll be paid for your work. Payments are made via PayPal every week, so you'll never have to wait long to receive your earnings. Another website to earn money through typing is transcribeme.com. If you are interested in transcription, translation, or data annotation jobs, transcribeme.com is a platform that caters to these needs. With a user-friendly interface and a range of work options, it can be an excellent choice for those looking to earn money by typing. Unlike Rev.com, it is essential to note that transcribeme.com pays relatively lower rates, ranging from $15 to $22 per audio hour. Despite this, it can still serve as a viable option for individuals seeking additional income streams through typing. To begin working on it, the process is relatively simple. All you need to do is create an account by providing your name, email address, and selecting your preferred position, whether it's as a transcriptionist, translator, or any other available option. Once you're registered on the website, a world of work opportunities opens up to you. TranscribeMe.com offers a diverse range of projects that you can choose from to start earning money online. It's important to note that, like any job, the work on TranscribeMe.com does require effort and accuracy. Whether you are transcribing audio files, translating texts, or contributing to data annotation projects, you must maintain a high level of quality to ensure client satisfaction and receive positive reviews. TranscribeMe.com provides an opportunity for growth and advancement. As you gain experience and expertise, you may qualify for higher paying projects or leadership roles within the company. This potential for growth makes it a platform worth investing time and effort into. It is worth mentioning that while these websites offer great earning potential, it is important to have decent typing skills, as they may occasionally ask you what your typing speed is, so you need to improve it and prove it. This is where you can visit typingtest.com, and after passing a test, take a snapshot of the results and email them to let them know your typing speed. This is important because they will not accept you if you type too slowly. Otherwise, they can approve you for more work opportunities. So, this is the end, guys, as typing and transcribing work can be a lucrative option for those looking to make money online. Websites such as Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com provide opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world. By improving your typing skills and setting yourself up on these platforms, you can start earning anywhere from $35 to $85 repeatedly each day. So why wait? Start typing and earning money today. We sincerely hope that you found this investigation to be insightful and stimulating. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on intriguing issues if you liked this material.